Dr. Harrington, 7,000 people had to be tested. Do you have anything you'd like to say to them?
2 News was the only station to track him down. Now at 5, an update on the investigation into this Tulsa area oral surgeon. Today is the final day for Dr. Scott Harrington's former patients to visit a free screening clinic.
2 News reporter Brandon Richard is live where people are finding out if they've been exposed to blood-borne diseases. Brandon?
Well, the clinic closes in less than an hour, bringing 3 months of testing to an end. During that time, nearly 4,000 patients were screened. The investigation now moves to a new phase. Health officials say they've never seen anything like it. More than 7,000 people potentially exposed to hepatitis and HIV.
According to the Center for Disease Control, this is the first exposure in this type of occupational setting of its kind in the country.
Those at risk, all former patients of Tulsa oral surgeon Scott Harrington, who was accused of unsanitary practices at his 2 clinics. When the health department began free screenings in March, the line stretched out the door. Now, hardly a trickle.
We've really seen a dwindling of numbers in our clinics, so based on the public response, we really decided that today's the day to end the clinical testing.
Of the 4,000 patients screened, 77 tested positive for hepatitis C, 5 for hepatitis B, and 4 for HIV. Officials say the rate reflects what they find in the general population. Tanya Lee is one of Harrington's former patients who tested negative.
He's already been tried in the court of public opinion, and his life, as far as in Tulsa, is ruined.
Officials must now determine if the patients who tested positive were exposed at Harrington's office, a process that could take months. As for Harrington, he's not saying much.
7,000 people had to be tested. Do you have anything you'd like to say to them?
As the next phase of the investigation begins. Now, patients who are sent a letter can still receive a free screening. Tonight at 6, we'll look at how much this testing is costing taxpayers. Live in North Tulsa, Brandon Richard, 2 News works for you.